Hare Krishna, dear friends. Today's subject is deity is God. We have 5 senses. Our eyes, which can see, our ears, which can hear, our nose, which can smell, our tongue, which can taste, our skin, which can feel the touch. So, but they are there, but they are not ideal. How? Because when I was in 6th grade, we started to learn physics, and there we learned that human ear can hear the sound from 0 gigahertz up to 2000 gigahertz. So it means sounds below 0 gigahertz and sounds upper than 2000 gigahertz we cannot hear. So it means our ears are not ideal, because so many sounds are there, ultrasounds, other sounds we cannot hear. So it is one point that our senses are not ideal. Another thing is that our eyes are not ideal. Because, for example, this railway, imagine that railway have 2 lines. And originally, these lines are in parallel. And as we know from geometry, parallel lines never cross each other. Never ever, because they go in parallel. So, but our eyes see, like, when we look to that railway station, when it goes far, our eyes see that they joined each other. So it means our eyes are not ideal. They cannot see things as they are. So, in this way, there are so many parallel worlds in our Earth planet also. But we cannot see. We cannot see subtle things. For example, we know that we have mind. We have intelligence. We can know it by practice, because this body cannot think. We think with something in other. Is that mind? That thought. So, in practice, we understand that thinking ability is there, and mind is there. So, but I cannot see that. So, does it mean that there is not mind? So, in this way, it doesn't mean that whatever we cannot hear and whatever we cannot see is not there. It is there. And we can know about those things which are there, but we cannot understand by reading Shastras, by reading sacred books, as like Vedas. And from that Vedas, within that Vedas, the milk of that Veda is Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God. And there God says that I am this, I am that. He explains himself. And in Srimad Bhagavatam, he says that he comes to this world in that form in which devotee can see him. In order, because devotees in this world, they pray to God, they pay obeisances to him, and they want to offer their service with their body, with their hands, with their eyes, with their head, with their legs, with their whole body. They want to offer service. So God says, oh, okay, because you are my dear servant and I love you, I will come in that form in which you can see me, in which you can touch me, in which you can feel me, in which you can offer to me something which I will accept. So God appears in the form of a deity. And in order to make that deity, there are so many rules. So not ordinary person can carve a deity. They have astrological signs and astronomy. They use everything in order to carve the deity. They select some particular wood or some particular stone. So these things are very connected. So God says that I will appear in that form. So God is almighty. It means he can do everything. So why cannot he appear in the form of a deity? That person who says that it is not God, he says that God is not ideal. So it means that he is not believing that God is almighty. So it is a little bit less intelligence to think that God cannot appear as in the form of deity. Someone thinks that it is idol worship. Idol worship means you take this chair and start to imagine that it is a god. But it is idol worship because there is no shastrical explanation of saying that this chair is God. No. In the Shastras, in the Vedas, in Bhagavad Gita, in Srimad Bhagavatam, it says that God can appear only in the special form, in the form of a deity, in a special forms as like Krishna or Lord Gauranga or Lord Jagannath or other forms. So it is not whimsical thing, but it is scientifical. So in the reality, all the forms of this world are coming from God. All the forms, because God is having a form as like man, as like girl. So we are copying that form. Because God is having the form of lion. So many lions are there. Because God is having the form of fish. So all fishes are there. Because God is having the form of boar. So many boars are there. Because God is having the form of cow. So many cows. So all the forms, the beginning of all forms is the form of God. Because God is almighty. He can do everything. And everything is coming from Him. And in all religions, people pay obeisances. And what does that mean? Obeisances means offering our head and body to the feet of someone. Feet means there is some personality. We cannot offer some obeisances to light. Because light might be everywhere. Light doesn't have feet. So it means, for example, if I stand, it means also obeisances. Because light is there, light is there, light is there. So, when they pay obeisances, it means there is feet. And feet belongs to a personality. And I am offering my head, my mind, my body. For example, in Islam, they pay obeisances to one side, to particular side, to Kaaba. It means they even unknowingly, they pay obeisances to a personality. Why they don't pay obeisances to the side of other sides? North, to east, they pay obeisances to other sides. Why? Only one side. They consider that there is some personality. In Christianity, they pay obeisances to the form of Jesus Christ. Image of Jesus Christ. Why? Because He is person. He is a person and He has feet, and offering our mind and soul and body. And also in many religions, almost in all religions, there is vandanam, offering prayers. And offering prayers means we accept that one who is listening me is having some heart, is having emotions, is having feelings. When I say something, he will understand because he has heart. So light cannot have heart. Light cannot have emotions. We cannot exchange with emotions with light without something formless. So God is having form and God is having emotions. Whatever we have, those emotions, we have heart, we have feelings, all are coming from God, who is person. So that person is almighty. So He can appear in the form of a deity. So those who say that it is idol worship and it is temporary, it is wrong. God can appear as a form in the deity. Thank you so much, Hare Krishna.